Hello everyone, this is Eric. Welcome to Alteryx at Lion. Today we are going to have a look at Alteryx Weekly Challenge number 141, Examination Data Simulation. In this week's challenge, we have been asked to generate sample data to represent a population. And we have a list of 1,000 people and we want to simulate a test score for each person. So you will need to generate simulated score under these conditions. The lowest possible test score is 50%, while the highest is 90%. The simulated score must be randomly generated as a normal distribution where the population mean is 70%. After creating the simulated test results, build a chart view to prove that you have achieved a random normal distribution by binning each score to the nearest point. So let's have a look at the workflow. So today we are going to use a new tool. New tool is called simulation sampling. It's in the prescriptive bucket. So simulation sampling. Okay, so let's have a look at the data we have. Okay, so the file we have been given is a list of people, first, last name, and email. And then we use this simulation sampling. We choose Monte Carlo simple sampling. When we're leaving this chunk size, cis we leave it as 1, and the number of iterations 1,000. And then we click next, and then enter the name for the outgoing data. We call it score. We choose normal distribution, and the mean we choose 70. And then the standard deviation we use 5 here, so that makes us the lowest 50, highest to 90. And then we join the test score with our people's name by join by record position, and then we can drop this seed. Let's run this. Yeah, so in the join data, we have the name and then we have the score. So the score was randomly generated. We use a formula to run the score to the nearest point. And then we can add a summarize tool. And we group this by score. And then we do a count on the score. And we can also use a sorting tool to sort the score ascending. And then we use the reporting tool, the interactive chart. We configure the chart. We add a layer. We call it a chart. And then the type is a scatter plot. And then the X column, we use score, and Y column, Y axis, we use a count. Yep, and we close this. And now we add a browse tool. And let's run this. Okay, so after running this, we can view from our browse tool that this is our chart. So it follows a normal distribution with our requirements, and this the same as the outputs we are provided in the challenge. Okay, so today this is the end of the session. Today we covered the use of simulation sampling. So at Lion, we can use this tool to simulate customers' information so that we can do a detailed analysis on the customer behavior study or customer segmentations. Thank you very much. This is the end of the session.